What's going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to be unboxing this GNC Pro membership box that they send out. I don't know if it's twice a year, but I know it's at least once a year, and we're going to find out if it's actually worth it. So as most of you know, when you go shopping at GNC, the cashier will almost always ask you if you have a Pro membership, and if you don't have one, they're going to grill you about it and they're going to try their very best to sell you one. Now, for the longest time, I avoided buying one, and then I can't really remember why, but I finally caved in. I signed up, and I think it's 40 bucks one every year. So you get like discounts, you get the box, and then you get samples and small little things like that. But we're not worried about that. We're gonna open this box and we're gonna see what comes inside of it, and then I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on whether or not I think the membership is actually worth it. So here we got the box. It says "just for you" on the top. Now, it seems like somebody opened the box already. I think my wife might have opened it without me knowing, or maybe somebody else did, but yeah, I haven't seen what's inside, and let's see what's inside. So we got some branding and some stuff. So first thing I see, we got a pre-workout NitroFlex. Seems like it's pretty strong. 325 milligrams. Pre-workout, a little sample, 1 serving. Yeah, I'd be willing to try that. Not bad. Now I believe they do let you select what type of box you want, and they do send you an email before they send it, but I never ended up replying to them, so I got whatever I initially signed up for. Next up, we got a Beyond Raw fat burner, I believe. Burn MF. Yeah, I believe this is a fat burner. So we got a fat burner. And then we got a 9 free meals from HelloFresh, which is like a meal prepping thing. They send you pre-made meals. Next up, we got a $100 gift card for a wine company. $100 gift card. And then we got, what is this here, this little brochure? We just got a whole bunch of freaking little coupons. So we got a GNC coupon book. Here we have a daily immune support stick. So some powder, GNC brand. And then we got another pre-workout, 200 milligrams of caffeine. This one is by Unbreakable Performance. Ooh, look at this. We got some hand sanitizer with Dragon's Breath essential oils. Okay. And then we got another daily immune support. So this is kind of pandemic related. They send you stuff to help you during these times. And then we got a Vital Performance Recover. It's like BCAAs and stuff. Okay. This one I'd be willing to try for sure. Then we got a GNC face mask. Yeah, what a coincidence during these times that they send me a hand sanitizer and a mask and some vitamin stuff for your immune system. And then last but not least, we got some whey protein. Now, I don't use whey protein. I use a plant-based one just because of my stomach. I get really bad stomach pain from whey. But if I could, I would love to, because I love the taste of whey protein. But yeah, it contains milk, so won't be able to try this, but I could probably give it to somebody else. So a little bag of whey. Serving size is 1 packet. Okay. So 1 scoop. And that's it for the box. We just got some stringy little paper. For 40 bucks, I don't think it's worth it. Specifically for me, it's not worth it because usually when I go to GNC, I'm only buying 2 things. I'm either getting pre-workout or I'm buying protein powder, a plant-based protein powder. Now, some of these things are cool and stuff because you get to try other brands and things you've never tried before, but honestly, I don't think it's worth it. Will I renew this when it expires? Probably not. Let me know if it's worth it for you guys. Maybe if you really like buying supplements and new things and trying a whole bunch of different things, then maybe it's worth it. But in my opinion, like, you don't really need a whole bunch of supplements. But if it helps you, then hey, spend your money on that. Maybe it's worth it for you, but in my situation, it's not worth it. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about the box that I got. So yeah, this is my 2021 Pandemic GNC Pro membership box. I got the hand sanitizer and a mask. Let me know what you guys think about everything I got. And if you've gotten one of these or you are signed up for the membership, do you guys think it's worth it? Check out my other videos if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel. A majority of my viewers are not subscribed. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.